What is going on? Welcome to Greggles TV. This video is in cooperation with Greenworks and their AiMowbot C20. This is gonna automatically mow your lawn. So let's get into the unboxing first. You get a great quick start guide that walks you through the entire setup. Next is the antenna and the accessories for setup, spare blades, wire pegs, and more. And then the AiMowbot C20 and power cables. Next, let's get into the setup of this. The AiMowbot C20 is basically completely put together. The only thing that you have to really put together are the antenna and the charging station, and even that is like 5 minutes. It's basically completely put together, which is great. So after putting everything together, what you're gonna do next is go through the app next by next. Takes just a few minutes and you're ready to go. Plug in the antenna to a spot that is perfectly aligned in your yard and make sure you plug it into an outlet outside or in, but it definitely has to be plugged in. Now that you have basically everything ready to go, you need to create a perimeter with the AiMowbot C20 within the app. You'll control the Mowbot, and basically from there, you just create that perimeter all the way around your yard, and then it's smart enough to avoid things on the grass and avoid other things as well, and stay within that perimeter and cut your grass really, really well. Okay, so now that you have everything unboxed and installed and set up, and you mapped everything, now I'm gonna show you a little bit about the app, so let's dive into that. So this is gonna show you at the top here, your mower, if it's charged, what the battery life is, and all of that. If you want, you can enable remote viewing by tapping this button right here, and you can view the camera as it's mowing your lawn. Then you have your other button right here, which is going to allow you to manually control your lawnmower with the remotes right here. Down below, if you just want to mow your lawn, just tap quick mow and it will mow your lawn. And I'll show you that in just a moment. And then you also have your map management. So if you have multiple areas of your residence that you want to mow, maybe you have different sections of grass, this is where you come in there and you create the map like I showed you a little bit earlier. It's very simple. Below that, you can go into your mowing schedule. So if you wanna have your lawnmower automatically start mowing your lawn, like maybe every Saturday at 7 a.m., this is where you come in and you do it. You can also tap the menu button in the top right, and in here, you can change the name of your lawnmower. You can look at your mowing reports to get a better idea of what it's actually done so far. If you have any accessories, they'll show up here from your reference antenna to your charging station. All of that stuff will show right in there. You also have your mower controls, which allow you to go into light control. If you want to turn those lights on and off on the mower, you can. Sounds, the mower screen, which is amazing, really, really clear, but you can set a timeout for that, and a bunch of other stuff as well. Now let's jump into a quick mow so you can see this thing in action. One thing I want to point out, this thing is extremely quiet. I'm going to be completely silent. There's a car in the background, but it's so quiet, extremely quiet, like way more quiet than a traditional gas lawnmower. It's super impressive. This would not wake anyone up. It's quieter than a vacuum, definitely quieter than a traditional gas lawnmower. It's awesome, and it cuts the grass really, really well. Now, there's no bag with this lawnmower, so what it does is it cuts the grass up so finely that it really doesn't amount to anything. Like, it cut this so nice and there's really no leftover grass, and eventually that will just basically evaporate. So you don't have to worry about cleaning this thing up or worrying that a bag is gonna get full and you need to empty it. It cuts it up very, very finely. I do wanna show as it's cutting, because you can see a total difference on here. Like if you look all the way across, you can see that grass is much longer than what it cut. So it does make a good difference. And obviously I did set it to 2.4 inches because I do want to see a little something, but ultimately it cuts it very, very well. Also, just to let you know, there is a stop button. If you need to stop it for whatever reason, just press that button and the lawnmower will instantly stop. All right, let's take a look at the display. When you do press it, you do have to hold those two buttons to unlock it. And the screen is super bright. You can see it in the sunlight, or if it's dark, obviously. You can go to the quick mow, so if you don't want to use the app, you can do that. You can set your thing to recharge. You can go to settings as well. So if you go into settings, all you do is press that button, you put in your code. Basically, it just allows you to reset it from here. Otherwise, that's pretty much it, but it does show you the battery percentage if it's connected to Wi-Fi and the cell signal as well. You do get that. Here it is just after mowing the lawn, and it's pretty simple. It doesn't get that dirty. You can just wipe it off with a cloth or your hand and you're good to go. Here's the bottom after mowing the grass. You can see it doesn't get that dirty. It's very easy cleanup. There's the blades at the bottom there, and if you need to replace them or anything like that, all you do is unscrew them, but it doesn't get that dirty. And even if it does, you can just wipe it off with a cloth or your hand and you'll be ready to go. Also, don't forget the battery life on this is absolutely amazing. I mowed my whole front grass and it literally used like 2 percentage points. It's really, really good battery life. A couple of things I want to re-emphasize about the AiMowbot C20 is it has virtual mapping, and you can also use it in multiple zones. So if, like I mentioned, you have multiple areas of grass that you want to set up, this can do it. You're also getting the wire-free RTK Vision 2.0 navigation, which combines satellite connectivity with 3D vision, creating pinpoint navigation accuracy down to 1 inch. So this thing always knows where it's going. It's got those great oversized wheels for improved traction on uneven terrain. I have this little dip in my grass and it gets out of it. It doesn't get stuck. It's awesome, works great. How about this? This is gonna show you that it can detect up to 200 different objects and it will avoid it. It won't run into it. It's smart enough to avoid it and go around. Very, very smart. All about that AI built into this. Also within the app, you can control how much it actually cuts your grass. You can have it all the way down to 0.75 or all the way up to 3.5 inches and basically everything in between. So if you want your grass to be a little bit longer or really short, you can control that. I mentioned how quiet this is. It's only 57 decibels. It's almost completely silent. You will not hear this in your house for sure, and you can barely hear anything when you're right next to it. It does have that autonomous charging, so once it is done, it will automatically go back to the charger for you. You don't have to be like, oh, I have to put it on there. It will literally go right back to it. It's got IPX6 water resistance, so it's good with that. Built-in weather forecast, so if it is gonna be bad weather, it's not just gonna automatically start mowing your lawn. Did I mention you also get a 3-year warranty, so you're protected if anything were to go wrong. So check out the Greenworks AiMowbot C20 right now. It's linked down below. Get yours. This thing is seriously a beast. I am blown away how easy it is to set up, how easy it is to use, because I literally don't have to do anything. It does all the work for me, and it's really, really quick as well, and silent. Like, there's many things that are great about this. So link down below, pick yours up. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and we'll see you guys down the road. Peace.